Hey Sergio, my name's Desiree. I spoke to you on the phone earlier. I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself why I would be spending my time doing this and what's in it for me. Well, you're lucky because I read minds, and the answer is most times in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their businesses to learn how the internet can actually benefit them in their business. And sometimes the only hesitation is in hiring someone. They don't know who that person would be and who an expert is and who isn't. I found that by giving someone a free attack plan, a couple of things could happen. One is they find out, hey, Desiree is an expert, and they end up wanting to hire me. Or by the end of this video, you're like, hey, I can do those things myself, and you implement them. So your business ends up growing either way. So these are a couple of tricks that I have up my sleeve that can help you. So at the end of this video, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or at the end of this video, if you simply want to take what I have shown you and implement them yourself, that's awesome. That works for me as well. So now let me show you 3 things that you can do to set your company above your competition, and I won't waste any more of your time. So number 1 here, I have your website, which is how I found you. You have your title up here, Shine Valley Screens and Awnings, with your contact number. So in order for Google to optimize your site and pick you up for keywords, you guys should have about 1,500 words on your site. So there's a tool here called SEO Quake, and if you pull it up here, you can see that you guys have about 200 words. You're ranking at about 198 here. But if you pull up your competition, I have your top 3 competitors here. You've got the Outside Shade Company. They're actually ranking in the #1 spot in Google right now. And on their homepage, they have just under 1,000 words. They have 963 words with the keywords. So that is how they are outranking you in one area. It's very beatable if we just add those keyword-rich contacts. So every month, people are searching for keywords. So I'm going to hop over here into a tool called Ahrefs. This tool costs up to about $300 per month. You can look at the keywords. So retractable awnings, people are searching this word, if you look here, about 41,000 times per month. Or awnings near me, about 9,500 times per month. They're searching for sunshades about 9,400 times per month. Awning company near me, 4,400 times per month. Awning installation, 1,800 times per month. Sunshade canopy, 1,300 times per month. And then there's a few other keywords here that people are searching 20 or less times per month. So you can use Ahrefs or you can use SEO Quake. It is not as good at looking at those keywords, but you can see on your site the keywords that you're using. You have the word awnings 6 times in your site, outdoor 4 times, which is not a keyword people are searching for. You have screens 4 times. You have rolling shades 3 times, screens and 2 times. So definitely could be beatable with your competition by adding more screen keywords on there. It's not very optimized for the people who are searching for you, but we could definitely optimize that. Now, if you go to an actual Google search here, you can see the top competitors both in the map pack and the #1 Outside Shade Company. They're actually in the #1 and in the #2 spot. You've got the Yelp is taking #3. And you can see here, you guys are not even ranking in the top page. So that's something that we could definitely help you guys with. if we add those keywords. You want to look for those keywords so that Google's going to search for you and put you up in the top ranking. So moving on to the next visible section is the second most important thing in Google optimization I want to talk about, and we call this the Google Map Pack. So this is what's right here. You can see you've got your business name, you've got the address, business name, address, business name, address. So the top three are what shows up in Google unless you click on more places. And then it will pull up more. And that's how you are going to be found here in the Google Map Pack. And it's definitely harder to get ranked. Now what ranks you here is your citations. So another thing that we can use here for citations is your SEO Quake. And when you want to rank for citations, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're looking and you're getting your business listed. So when your business is searched for, there are 79 available directories that you can be listed in, and your presence here for Cheyenne Valley Screen and Awnings is listed as bad. So you've got To Find Local, 8 Coupons, 8 New Local, AmericanTowns.com, BrownBook.net. You've got all of these where your business is not listed but could be listed. Yellow Pages. And then you've got a few places where it looks like you've been tried to list, but the address is incorrect, so you're not ranking in that Google Map Pack. And then you have MapQuest and Yelp, where you are listed and there's no issue. So Google is finding you there and listing you into the Google Map Pack. So you're only really being shown in 2 directories, so you have those 2 citations. So you can use either SEMrush or you can use WhiteSpark. It costs anywhere from $30 to $70 a month to use those services. So your competition has up to 80 citations, and that's, again, a very beatable area that we can conquer from the competition. Those citations, or NAPs, are submitted word for word into the directories. That means your business name, exact address, exact phone number, like Yellow Book, White Book, Yext, City Star, and so on. Even Facebook and Instagram have an area where you can submit as a citation. And we can see, again, the competition has citations shown here. They're all laid out to be submitted. And then another area here that you definitely want to take a look at is your backlinks. So we're going to hop back over into Ahrefs. So when we look at your website, you have 4 backlinks submitted, and that means that you have other authority figures. So basically we call that link juice. So when we search for your site and it's not number 1, you want to be there to get your site beating out all the competition in every aspect. So simply put, link juice works like this. So site A is pointing to site B. Therefore, site A is acting like link juice, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes. Now, again, not all backlinks are equal, so you want quality over quantity. It's kind of like a popularity contest, but there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effectively when you have relative sites linking back at you. So like you wouldn't want to have a Pizza Hut linking back to you since you're not out there flinging pizzas for a living. So if we look at your competition, so this is one of your competitors. Let's see. Gotta get rid of some pop-ups here. So Outdoor Shading Solutions in Arizona, this is AZ Sunblock. They have over 1,000 backlinks linking back to their site versus your 4. And then with the Outside Shade Company, they have just 31 total backlinks linking to their site. And they're ranking number 1. So over time, these two companies are very beatable with their backlinks. So looking down below, we can see these guys, they have these links, and this is something you can pull up in Ahrefs. So you can actually see exactly the sites that they have, so that you can also go back out and you can get these backlinks. We'll pull them up here. Look at their exact URL. And it will pull up a list here for us of the backlinks that they have. So some of these, like yellowpages.com is a citation, superpages.com is a citation, and then other ones they have like guest posts or just referring links like on a blog spot. So again, very beatable. So once again, the things that we went over here are the content that you have here on your page. You want at least 1,500 words with all of the keyword content. Citations, you're going to want to have at least 200 to 300 more links than your competitors to beat out the competition by a landslide. So you're going to not to just want to beat them, but to dominate them. You want your link juice. You need relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that you're the authority in sunshade and awnings. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be number 1 across Google. What that's going to do is it's going to get people looking at your site and bringing you in more business, which also then brings you in more profit. Well, I'm psychic, remember, so I bet you're wondering what now. Well, so what you can do is you can either start implementing these strategies on your own. I showed you the programs that I'm using to do this research, so you can go out and use these programs, purchase them, and start implementing those strategies on your own. I'm totally cool with that. That's why I gave you these. I want your business to succeed as much as I want my business to succeed. Or if you want the most effective route to save you yourself the time, you can give me a call. My number is 602-560-5428. My name is Desiree. My number is 602-560-5428. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.